Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to reverse text in Google Docs. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so what we need to do is head on over to Google Docs. Now once you're inside Google Docs, you can go ahead and create a blank document or continue on with a old document. So I'm just going to do a blank document for this demonstration. So once I'm here, I want to click on to insert, and then I want to add a drawing and then click on a new drawing there. Now you have a drawing window that will appear like so. Now we need to click onto actions and click onto word art. Now go ahead and type the text here you'd like to reverse. So I'm going to put in my name, tutorial, like so, and then hit enter. Now from here we could change the text color if we like, and also the border color and all that stuff. And now from here I'm just going to make this a bit smaller. Now to reverse it, I'm just going to put it over here and now drag this here across to the other side, and that's going to put my text in reverse. Now from here we could save and close. Now that's going to be placed inside Google Docs.